Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2012 Ford Fusion, and this quick video I'll show you how to remove your front driver's side door panel in order to do your repairs, whatever you have to do with it. In my case, my handle doesn't work from inside, and the open can be opened only from the outside, so that's why I have to take the panel off. So let's start. Okay, first of all, you have to get 7mm ratchet and remove this screw inside. Okay, so that's number one. Let's do this. Okay, once we have the screw out, just drop it on the floor so we don't lose it. Then we have to open this cap behind the handle. Take some skinny screwdriver or whatever, just some hook, something, and remove this cap. Okay, when you have the cap open, this is where your cap is. Put it on the floor, and over here we have a star screwdriver. You have to get a star and remove this screw. Okay, so once we have it's actually T20, in case if you need the size, this is T20 screw. Next, well, you can just wiggle this thing out now and remove connector just by pressing this middle piece and pulling on the plastic. Oh, here we have another screw, another same T20. Get it out. Now let's get this, just grab here in the middle piece and raise it up and remove these connectors here. One. Okay, two hands, guys, like this. Press middle piece and pull out like this. Next step, over here we have another one on the bottom, T20. Get it out. Okay, at this point we are pretty much all set. We took out whatever we had to take out. Now the panel is being held down by clips, and there is a possibility we're gonna break some clips. We're gonna try not to, but you know, sometimes clips break. So let's do this. You take a flathead screwdriver, put it between the panel and the door, and little by little unclip. Don't rush, just little by little, nice and gently. And okay. Okay, and now we should be able to just raise up the panel. Yeah, that's it. Here goes the panel. All right, so yeah, this is it. This is how you take the panel off. In my case, I'm just gonna now try to find the problem, why I can't, because it could be lock or something, why I can't open it from the inside. Maybe something's broken here, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna check this out, and then we'll put the panel back on. Okay, I found my problem. As you can see, this handle is broken. There's this piece on the left, it's just broken down. Actually, very simple, very simple fix. Remove this bolt, get it out, reconnect the connectors for the new handle, put it back on, and that's it. Very simple, very simple job. Okay guys, let's put the panel back on. That's all I had to know. Okay, let's put back the panel. Okay, so when we put the screws back in, make sure that your holes all are aligned. Okay, so just take a screw, put it in. 2 hands I need. Okay, just put it in. Loosen parts. That's it. And yeah, guys, so very simple. I have 2 more screws left. One goes here, one goes in the handle, and one goes here. So that's it, guys. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. I just ordered this part, 10 bucks on eBay, and shipping is very fast. So in my case, this problem will be fixed for $10. Okay, so hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.